Hello to everyone. Friends, once again I welcome you all in today's discussion. And today's discussion is once again on stock market, and the topic is what is bonus, why bonus are issued, and upcoming bonus issues in this year 2021. Friends, we all know that the bonus, when we hear bonus, it gives a pleasure to us. Bonus, as we know, the organization where we work, they are also in eve of puja, or when the organization where we work have some good profit, or they achieve their target with some extraordinary margin. So on those occasions, bonuses are issued. Similarly, in the stock market also, company perform well, their profits are good, their reserves are good. On that occasion, that company issues bonus to their shareholders. Friends, we all know that this equity shares, these are issued by the company to their shareholders against the capital which we invest in that company. When this primary market where growth and future earnings potentials are good, and stocks where operating cash flows are good, high earning per shares are there, profits are of good amount, then company think of giving shares, bonus shares to their shareholders. The reason for giving this bonus, first of all, let us know what is bonus share. So, bonus share issuance are given to existing shareholders who are eligible to receive these additional shares as per the number of shares actually held by those shareholders, and no additional costs are being taken by the company for this bonus share. So we can say that in the process of bonus shares, the company's earnings which are accumulated during a period of time, and many times those the accumulated amount are not distributed to investors as dividend, then these are converted into free shares as bonus. So the process of bonus shares issuance to the shareholders can also be referred as capitalization of profits. Let us take an example. Suppose a company announces bonus at a ratio of 2:1. Suppose the investors has already 100 equity shares of that company. We can say that company may be taken as X. Then for every one share of that X company, the investor is entitled to receive 2 additional shares for free without any cost. And the ownership in that company would increase after issuance of bonus shares. Since the ratio is 2:1, means for every one share he is entitled to get 2 shares. Since he has 100 shares, so he will get 200 shares as bonus share, and he is having 100 shares as original, so his total share will become now 100 original plus 200 bonus, it will become 300. So many time question arises, why do companies issue bonus shares? We should know. So the basic reason of issuance of this bonus share is to attract more and more participation of retail investors, and to increase their equity base. Suppose just I give an example of this 100 shares was held of X company. When company announces bonus in the ratio of 2:1, then here the shareholders has now 300 shares. At the same time, company market capitalization has also increased because he has now 300 shares. When market capitalization originally, when company, suppose before issuance of company have 1 lakh of shares, now company have 3 lakhs of share after this bonus issuance. So now his market capitalization will be calculated on the basis of this 3 lakh shares. So market capitalization is also a strength of the company in the share market, and issuance of bonus, as I already told, that it attract retail investors. So the standing shares in the market increase, and accordingly this market capital increases because number of shares have been increased, and by issuing bonus retail investors are attracted more and more. Further new investors are attracted and they also buy shares of that company. Now come, what are the conditions for bonus shares issuance? What are the basic requirements? So any company who want to issue bonus shares, they have to get approved this matter of issuing bonus share from their board of directors through the articles of association. Many times when these articles of association is not possible to sanction, the company may pass a special resolution at their general meeting. On that basis, and that agenda is kept before that general meeting, and the issuance of bonus shares are being approved by the shareholders. the company also need to see that the total share should not become higher than the authorized share capital due to the bonus issue. And if that conditions happen, the memorandum of association of capital clause needs to be modified by this change in this authorized capital. These SEBI guidelines are also need to be followed regarding this issuance of bonus share. Now let us know regarding this bonus share. We always heard about this record date, ex bonus date. Then, so when company announces bonus, they also disclose that what will be the record date, what will be the ex bonus date. So let us first of all understand what is record date. So record date is a cutoff date decided by the company for determining shareholders who will be eligible for the bonus shares. So it is a cutoff date, because if any record date is not taken into consideration, anyone will say that suppose he buys those shares and will come and claim. So company has very categorically make an eligibility condition as per the record date. So record date is a cutoff date decided by the company for determining shareholders who will be eligible for the bonus shares. Basically, the shareholders who have holding those shares as on cutoff date, they are eligible to receive bonus shares. Now let us know about this ex bonus date. As soon as company declares the bonus, and before that record date, the share of the bonus are referred as cum bonus. The rates of that stock prevailed in the market is with cum bonus. But as soon as when bonus are announced, so there is an X date which is set on any business date before the record date. So in Indian share market, normally this T+2 rolling system are followed for this share delivery. So when record date is fixed, so accordingly X bonus date will be T+2. Normally there should be a difference of 3 days, and because unless and until shares are required to be delivered to the new buyer, and so that his name should be in the company's book of record. So this T+2 rolling system are adhered for this share delivery. So eligibility for bonus shares, we must know that before this X date, X bonus date, shares should have been purchased by the investor so that on this T+2 date his shares should be credited into his account, and hence he will be entitled for the bonus shares. Many times question arises how bonus shares are get credited to the eligible shareholders account. So when this new IN number, this is International Security Identification Number, that it is a unique number of every script. So this IN number is allotted to the bonus share. The bonus shares are get credited into eligible shareholders account within a period of 15 days, because this company has to process all these things at their end, and within 15 days of this record date the shares are being credited to the eligible accounts. So we have discussed this what is bonus shares, why bonus shares are issued, what are record date, tax date. Now the main theme that which are the companies which are going to issue bonus. So let us know the first company is Kshitij Polylean. The ratio is 1:6, means for 6 shares already held by any shareholder, he will get 1 share. Suppose anyone already have 100 shares, so we should divide 100 by 6. Accordingly, what by division 100 by 6, it comes around 17 shares. So he will get 17 shares as bonus. And now let us know what is the record date. The record date is 17th of August 2021 and X bonus date is 13th of August 2021. Mane we should know that after 13/8/21, that is the price of the stock is X bonus. Before that it is come bonus, and after this 13/8/21, up to 13/8/21, anyone who will buy the shares, he will be eligible to get shares of bonus. Now next share is Sun Retail. Here the ratio of bonus ratio is 3:5, means for every 5 shares he is entitled to get 3 shares. Suppose means for 50 shares he will get 30 shares. For 100 shares anyone will get 60 shares. The record date is 17th of August 2021 and X bonus date is 13th August 2021. Now next company is Redington. The Redington is going to issue bonus in the ratio of 1:1. For every one share, shareholders are entitled to get one bonus share. So if anyone has 100 shares of Redington, he will get 100 shares as bonus, and total share after issuing bonus will be 200. The record date of Redington is 20th August 2021 and X bonus date is 18th of August 2021. Now next company is Swasti Vinayaka. Swasti Vinayaka, the record date for Swasti Vinayaka, first of all let us see the bonus ratio. Bonus ratio is 2:7, means for every 7 shares, shareholder is eligible to get 2 shares. Means with 70 shares, we can get 20 shares. Accordingly, we can calculate this for 100 shares, 50 shares, whatever the ratio. And the record date for this Swasti Vinayaka is 24th August 2021 and X bonus date is 23rd August 2021. Next company is Rajnandani Metal. The ratio is 1:2, means for 2 shares held, 1 bonus will be issued, and record date is 3rd September 2021 and X bonus date is 2nd September 2021. Now next company is K-Solves India. They are issuing bonus in the ratio of 1:1, means for 1 shares already held, 1 shares of bonus will be issued. The record date is 7th September 2021 and X bonus date is 6th September 2021. So here I have made detailed discussion on this bonus. What is bonus? What are the why company issues bonus? What are the prerequisites for bonus? And lastly, we discussed about this record date, X bonus date, and most important, we have discussed which are the companies which are going to announce this bonus. So I am just repeating the name once again. The first company is Kshitij Polyline. They are issuing bonus in the ratio of 1:6. The record date is 17th August 2021. And second company is Sun Retail. They are issuing bonus in the ratio of 3:5. The record date is 17th August 2021. Then third company is Redington. They are issuing bonus in the ratio of 1:1. The record date is 20th August 2021. Next company is Swasti Vinayaka. They are issuing bonus in the ratio of 2:7. The record date is 24th August 2021. The next company is Rajnandani Metal. They are issuing bonus in the ratio of 1:2. The record date is 3rd September 2021. And last sixth company is K-Solves India. They are issuing bonus in the ratio of 1:1. The record date is 7th September 2021. With all this, I am making end of today's discussion. I hope the topics which I have covered regarding this bonus must be much informative and useful for you all viewers. With all this, I give my sincere thanks to all viewers. Thank you very much.